Alright, here we are. This is 1585 Flamingo, Florissant, Missouri, 63031. I'm here for Cody Properties. It's been 2 years now since the tenant has lived here. The tenant has had multiple backups, multiple plumbers have been out here. We wanted to go ahead and camera this and see if it possibly qualified for the lateral program. I'm going to tell you this will not qualify for the lateral program. There's very minimal roots in here. There's one little section that looks like it's got a kind of a gap in it that we'll address whenever we come across it in the video. And the piping inside the home is phenomenal. If something's backing up in here, it could be possibly because of a low spot or maybe the small separation again. But right now you see the city main. It's roaring, flowing great. We're going to go ahead and back up, and I'm just going to give you a preview of this whole pipe. You're going to come through a couple different sections of PVC where spot repairs have been made. One outside the home, one inside the home. Again, anytime you see PVC as I'm backing up, those will be from previous spot repairs done by, I'm assuming, the owner or city. Let's go ahead and back up and I'll show you what we got. That's assuming the one that's caused you some problems right there. That is the roots pushing through. A small little section where you can see the clay is kind of pushed in a little bit, I'm assuming from the roots. We will mark and locate this spot. I'd have to tell you, the rest of your line looks phenomenal. If there's going to be anything causing you a problem, it's going to be this location right here, okay? So again, I will mark and locate this, and we will give you a quote to do this one spot repair, possibly, depending on the location of it. But again, this is really the only problem I see in this whole sewer. Let me go ahead and show you. It's just clay. You're going to have a little bit of small roots coming through at every hub like that. That don't mean that the city will replace this pipe at all. They're looking for broke, collapsed, something horrible. This is just looking like annual preventative maintenance to me at this point. Nothing to really get the city involved. You can see where the roots do come through at every hub. Again, that's normal. Small little low spot right there. You had some roots there too. A good root. Again, this is not, the city's not going to say we'll replace all this. You have small root intrusion in two different locations, one at 58 and one at 33. What I will do is I will mark it from 33 to 58 after the video is over, and we will put all that together, okay? Backing up. No collapses. Nothing crazy. Here comes a small PVC repair. You know exactly where that's at. It's going to be inside the home. Turning the corner. Corner looks great. Nothing's falling apart. The belly, you know, the goal of it, you know, where everything travels. I mean, that does not have crevices in it. It's not have little pockets formed. There's no huge barnacles in here. Overall, this will definitely pass what the city would consider needing to be repaired. They're not going to come out here and do all that, but it's just not enough. What I can do is go ahead and mark and locate it. Again, in between 58 and 33, and just see exactly where we're at and possibly give a quote to do this. We can always attempt to turn this into the lateral program. So, let's see what we got. Just no promises on that. Thank you again. This is going to be 1585 Flamingo, Florissant, Missouri, Cody Properties, 63031.